How to fix Instagram audio calling option not available. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can fix if the audio calling option is not showing on your Instagram. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, ensure that you're using the latest version of Instagram application. To check that, open a Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon and in the search bar, search for Instagram. And check if there is an update available. If it is available, tap on update. Once the update is complete, now open up the application and check whether your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not still solved, now try to clear cache and data. So for that, open up settings in your device, tap on apps. And here on the recently opened apps, you might find Instagram. If not, head towards your all applications and from there, look for Instagram. Tap on it. Once you get into app info page, tap on storage and cache and from here, tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache will remove glitches and errors from the application, which might help you solve your problem. If that still does not help you, you have to always verify your network connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So you can always try to restart your router or switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to check whether your problem will get solved or not. If not, now verify for the application permissions. Ensure Instagram has permissions to access your microphone and make calls. So for that, what you have to do is again get to the app info page of Instagram, tap on permissions. Scroll down a bit and head towards the not allowed section. And if you have not allowed the required permissions, make sure to allow all the required permissions. Now, once you have done that, get back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, log out of your account and then log in back again and check if the audio call options appears. If not, now uninstall the Instagram application from your device and reinstall it from the Google Play Store and then re-log into your account and check whether your problem is solved or not. If none of these tips work, now you can report your problem to Instagram. In order to report the problem, open up your Instagram, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right and here tap on the three-line icon. Scroll all the way down and then tap on help option. Here tap on report a problem and here you can choose report problem without seeking. Now again tap on do not include and continue. Here you can briefly explain about your issue saying that you are not able to see the audio call options. So you need help with that. If you have any screenshot regarding your problem, you can always upload it right here. Then send it to the Instagram support and then Instagram support will assist you back with solutions. And make sure to follow all the necessary instructions. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.